Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a wheel hub assembly on a Ram 1500. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a floor jack, 2 jack stands, and a torque wrench. Make sure you have the correct new wheel hub assembly for your truck. Park your Ram on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. Before lifting, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you will be working on. With the lug nuts loosened, safely lift your truck using the jack and secure it firmly on 2 jack stands. Now, completely remove the wheel and tire. Next, carefully unbolt the brake caliper and rotor, hanging them securely to avoid stressing the brake line. Finally, disconnect the anti-lock braking system sensor wire and remove the large axle nut from the spindle. Before installing the new hub, thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the steering knuckle to ensure a proper fit. Carefully slide the brand new wheel hub assembly onto the spindle. Reconnect the anti-lock braking system sensor wire, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, reinstall the axle nut, tightening it to the manufacturer's specified torque, often around 185 foot-pounds. Now, reattach the brake rotor and then the caliper assembly, ensuring all bolts are secure. Mount the wheel and tire back onto the hub. With the wheel on, carefully lower your Ram 1500 off the jack stands. Finally, torque the lug nuts to the factory specification, typically around 130 foot-pounds. Take a short test drive to confirm everything feels right.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.